In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use the Capital One app. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. Managing your Capital One account through their mobile app is extremely simple. The app makes it very convenient to use any of the features available on the bank, for example, transferring money between accounts, and you can download the app from the Play Store for Android devices or the App Store if you are on an iOS device instead. It is going to be under Capital One Mobile, and all that you have to do once you download the app is set up your mobile account. As long as you are pre-registered with Capital One, it should be extremely simple, although you can open a new account directly through the app if you wish. When you download the app and after you are done with the sign up process to use mobile for your account, you will be able to find everything attributed to your Capital One account on the home screen. So you can see different account types, the balance, and you can manage them from there. You can use the menu at the bottom of your screen to browse through different options, for example, the option to transfer money between accounts, to make bill payments, etc. Like I said, everything can be managed through the latest version of the Capital One mobile banking app, and as long as you use the app and you can set up a password with fingerprint or Touch ID, Face ID, you will have access to everything inside of the app with improved security. Make sure that you download it and sign up to check your balances, pay bills, and manage any transfers that you make. All of your cards will be attached to your account and you can lock them if necessary or see all the details about recent transactions. There is a lot to do on the mobile app, and you can even acquire a virtual card number to use alongside any purchases that you make online or in store. Make sure that the app is always up to date and that your account is secured. I hope I was able to help you on how to use the Capital One app. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.